Here's a hot take for you. I think hands down, the chimney inspection is the most underrated inspection in the home inspection process, and it could save you thousands of dollars. Buyers often focus on the usual suspects like the roof, the HVAC, the crawl space. They're all important, but that towering brick stack, it can hide some very expensive problems like cracked flue liners, missing caps, damaged crowns, damaged mortar, even structural issues. And a lot of those chimney stacks aren't built to code. Here's the kicker. Many general home inspections don't include a detailed chimney inspection. That's because you need a certified chimney specialist to do that level inspection, and you want a level 2 inspection here in South Carolina. Whether you're buying or selling, don't skip this chimney inspection. Chimney repairs aren't cheap. The chimney is just one of those places that most people don't look until it's time to sell a house. That's when we see the hidden issues that are very, very expensive. Some of the most expensive home repairs that I've ever seen are actually in the chimney, and the seller had no idea. So if you're buying a home with a fireplace, treat the chimney like the VIP it is. It's not just about ambiance, it's about safety and smart investing. I'm Angela Rodriguez with Encore Realty. Thank you for watching this video. You can count on me to put the real in real estate. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to follow me or hit subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. I'll see you again on the next video. And remember, I'll tell you what most agents won't.